How to view T5 slips on CRA. So what you're going to do is log into your account, sign in of course, and then you can go to this kind of section, like the taxes section, as long as you can find the forms and publications. So one of the ways you can get there is by going to taxes and then going to forms and publications. So press on forms and publications, find the document you need. So it's going to be CRA forms. Now, if you want to find T5 slips, you can go ahead and filter this over here. You'll be able to see the numbers and whatnot, but what we want is the T5 slips. So we're gonna search for that, T5. And basically it's just gonna appear filtered with the T5 number. So you can take a look at the specific one you want. Maybe it's this one over here, the statement of investment income. Then just take a look at that. You'll find ways on how to download and how to get access to the form. So let's say this one, you could download this, you could print it and fill it out by hand, but that's pretty much it. You'll be able to find the T5 slips in the CRA form listed by number. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.